Hey everyone, I am here today to do a quick color spotlight for you. I have on Sunset Red by Tony of Beverly. This is in the Norah wig. This wig I had gotten used from a wig sister. She's been modified slightly, so I'm not going to do the review on Norah. I actually have a review on Norah in a different color, so you can check that review out on my channel, but this one is about the color. So Sunset Red is a super vibrant, fire, kind of orangey red that is perfect for a very natural redhead. Somebody who is really red, not kind of auburn red. So let me show you this color up close. No rooting. This color is amazing. Very dynamic. What I think is really great about this color is the fact that it doesn't have rooting. So if you are a natural redhead, this might kind of seem like it could be your hair color. Now it's not a flat color. There's a lot of different things going on. But overall, it's very vibrant, bright. It doesn't really have brunette tones in it. So I would say it's definitely kind of an Irish red. And so I just thought that would be helpful to see if you're trying to decide on a color. I just put together a color comparison where I compare Bianca lighter red with Girl Mono saffron red rooted, so that you can kind of see the difference. I would say lighter red in Envy, which was on Bianca, is a lot like this color, whereas saffron red rooted definitely has the auburn brunette tones in it, plus it's rooted, and so it looks very different. So look for that review on my channel as well. But this is what you'll get. Let me see if I can turn the camera a little bit, get a little bit different background. Sometimes that can be helpful. And then, let me turn over here. I actually have my camera on a tripod. Let's get a little bit of a darker background behind me. All right, I'll pull her off for you real quick, and I'll show you. I'm gonna try to see where the light is playing on it the best. You can, I don't know if you can see it, hopefully you can see it, but it definitely has some different tones, some lighter and some darker red playing all throughout it. Very pretty. All right, everyone. Sunset Red. Hopefully that was helpful. Grab my remote here and you were able to see something helpful. Thanks for watching, you guys.